today we talk about how can you enable voice connected notifications on your Discord app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down and you click here on notifications. So when you click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on get notifications outside of Discord. You click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just come to voice connected here. So when you click on, you come here and you click in this sign here. Click on it. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean voice connected notifications this enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.